Hello friends, I am your host K Naeem came back with a brand new video. Friends, research and studies are going to find the link between supernatural foods and inflammation. Friends, in next video I will explain what is inflammation. Today we will discuss and find out what type of foods are good for the people with kidney issues. Friends, as we know, free radicals are not good for human body and human health. We should detoxify free radicals from our body. Friends, there are several foods that can help to neutralize free radicals and prevent our body. Let's start to discuss the 15 foods that should be added in the diet plan of people with kidney disease. Friends, it is recommended that people with kidney disease should limit their sodium, potassium and phosphorus intake. Friends, recommended intake of sodium, potassium and phosphorus for kidney disease people is less than 2000 mg per day for sodium and potassium and is less than 800 mg per day for phosphorus. Now friends, we will discuss 15 super healthy foods for people with chronic kidney disease. Friends, foods that are high in potassium, phosphorus and sodium should be avoided by the people with kidney disease. Today we are giving the list of foods that should be added in the diet list of kidney disease people. Number 1, garlic. Friends, 1 garlic contains 1 mg of sodium, 12 mg of potassium and 4 mg of phosphorus. Garlic has great anti-inflammatory properties and very good for the people who are facing kidney issues. People with kidney issues should be added garlic in their diet. Garlic can help to improve their kidney functions. Number 2, apple. Friends, 1 apple contains 0 mg of sodium, 158 mg of potassium and 10 mg of phosphorus. Apple is high source of fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds. These both properties make the apple a superfood to people having chronic kidney disease. Friends, a mixture of apple and onion omelette can be added in the diet plan of people with kidney disease. Number 3, cauliflower. Friends, half cup of cauliflower contains 9 mg of sodium, 88 mg of potassium and 20 mg of phosphorus. Cauliflower has great nutrition values and a great source of vitamin C, vitamin K and vitamin B and high source of fiber and folate. Friends, cauliflower is fully packed with the anti-inflammatory compounds like indoles. People with chronic kidney disease can add cauliflower in their diet in place of potatoes. Number 4, cabbage. Friends, 70 g of shredded cabbage contains 30 mg of sodium, 119 mg of potassium and 18 mg of phosphorus. Cabbage is fully packed with minerals, vitamins and phytochemicals, a chemical that are good to break free radicals. Friends, cabbage is high in vitamin K, vitamin C and fiber. Friends, cabbage is also a good source of vitamin B6 and folic acid. As cabbage is low in potassium, sodium and phosphorus, so it is great food for the people with chronic kidney disease. Number 5, onions. Friends, 1 small onion contains 3 mg of sodium, 102 mg of potassium and 2 mg of phosphorus. Onion has flavonoid compound, quercetin and antioxidant and chromium mineral which is helpful in metabolism of different fats and proteins. Onion also contain probiotic fibers that is very helpful in digestion. All above properties of onion make the onion a great choice for the people with chronic kidney disease. Number 6, radish. Friends, 50 g of radish contains 23 mg of sodium, 135 mg of potassium and 12 mg of phosphorus. Friends, radish is great source of vitamin C and a great antioxidant. Friends, as radishes are low in potassium, that is why it is known as super healthy food for the people with chronic disease. Number 8, arugula. Friends, 20 g of arugula contains 6 mg of sodium, 74 mg of potassium and 10 mg of phosphorus. Friends, healthy greens vegetables like spinach and kale are very high in potassium. So these vegetables are not good for the patients with chronic kidney disease. But friends, thanks to great vegetable arugula that is low in potassium and high in vitamin K and minerals. Friends, arugula is good source of nitrates and very beneficial for kidney patients. Number 9, olive oil. 1 tablespoon of olive oil contains 1 mg of sodium, 1 mg of potassium and 0 mg of phosphorus. Friends, olive oil is rich source of anti-inflammatory fatty acid. Olive oil is full of polyphenols, and antioxidant compounds that prevent inflammation and oxidation. Friends, as olive oil is low in potassium and a great diet for kidney patients. Number 10. Cherry. Friends, half cup of cherries contains 1000 mg of sodium, 160 mg of potassium and 50 mg of phosphorus. Red cherries have great anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and due to its anti-inflammatory properties, cherries can be good addition in the diet plan of kidney disease patients. Number 11. Blueberries. Friends, 1 cup of fresh blueberries contain 1.5 mg of sodium, 114 mg of potassium and 18 mg of phosphorus. Blueberries contain antioxidant compound anthocyanin, good in heart diseases. Friend, blueberry is high in vitamin C, magnesium and low in sodium, potassium and phosphorus. This quality of blueberry make it a super healthy diet for people with kidney disease. Number 12. Sea bass. Friends, 85 grams of sea bass contains 74 grams of sodium, 279 grams of potassium and 211 grams of phosphorus. Friends, as you all know, fishes are high in potassium, but sea bass has low amount of phosphorus, and that make it good food for kidney patients. It is recommended that use less amount of sea bass, keep your phosphorus at desired level. Number 13. Red grapes. 75 grams of red grapes or half cup of red grapes contain 1.5 mg of sodium, 14 mg of potassium and 15 mg of phosphorus. Friends, the low quantity of these compounds make it a good diet for kidney disease patients. Number 14. Egg whites. Friends, egg whites contain 110 mg of sodium, 108 mg of potassium and 10 mg of phosphorus. Egg whites are full of proteins and great diet for the patient who are facing the dialysis issues and need high protein. Friends, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification on new videos. Thank you very much.